Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to draw this comment icon in Figma under 1 minute. No, you can't. What? It's not easy. I can. Let's go. Okay, let's see. Open Figma and then press R for rectangle. Then press Shift and Option so the rectangle will be bigger from the center all the way around. All right. So let's draw it like this way and make it wider a little bit. Now add a stroke and position to center. Weight to 1.5 pixels and click here and join rounded. And now let's make the corner radius to 8 pixels. Now let's move it up a little bit. Yeah, yep. Now let's double click so we can add more points. Add 1 point here. And let's select this point and hit delete. All right, now let's move it down a little bit. All right, now let's play with this handle to customize the curve, and also let's play with this one, to make it look good. Now select this point and join it to this one. All right, looks good. Now press P for pen tool and draw the line like this and duplicate it and double click to see the point, and then click on this point and move it to the left a little bit. And we are done under 1 minute. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and check out hugeicons.com if you need beautiful icons. And wait, now you are selling Huge Icons Pro. I'm not. I'm explaining the importance of beautiful icons for designers and developers and the ease of use cases. Why it's a matter? Because whether you are a designer or developer, you need to use beautiful icons to make your designs look good. All right. Remember, if you are a developer and you need icons, beautiful icons, we have NPM packages for all major frameworks, including React, React Native, Angular, Vue.js, and Svelte. And also, we have a native plugin for WordPress. And we have SVG files and icon font. And we support Flutter. But if you are a designer, we have a plugin for Figma, we have SVG files, Figma files, and icon jar. To learn more, visit hugeicons.com. Goodbye.